Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, we'll learn how to use Lottie image files, that is any of the Lottie files in your WordPress website using Elementor Lottie Widgets. So just to start using the Lottie image, we'll duplicate this particular section. So I'll say duplicate and I'll delete this particular Lottie image. Now I'll go in the search, I'll type Lottie, I'll paste it in this area, and now after dragging and dropping that Lottie widget, you'll see a Lottie option will get open, and inside that you'll find source, and inside source we have two options, external or the media files. First of all, I'll show you with the external how external works, and then I'll show you media files. So I'll select the external files, I'll go to Lottie. Let's assume you are there inside Lottie files. Go search anything, pizza or delivery, whatever you want. Just open that particular image. For my tutorial, I'm choosing this particular image. So I'll copy this particular link. For this one, you can copy this particular link. I'll go to this option, I'll paste my link, and you can see it start working, right? Now this is how Lottie files work. And now currently it's got stopped because there might be some setting issue, like loop I have to turn on, that I'll teach you later on. So I'll go to Lottie again, and then we have alignment. You can set the alignment based on your devices, desktop, mobile, laptop. Currently I want my Lottie files to be in the center. If you want to give any caption to your Lottie files, let's say pizza delivery, it will get written here pizza delivery. And for the custom caption, if you'll go to style, and then currently we have link it to none. If you want, if anyone click on that particular Lottie files, they'll get redirected to that particular link. You just choose your website link or what are the place you want your customer to get redirected. You can paste that link, and there's a gear icon. Just click on that and choose open in a new tab. And there's one more option called add no follow. When you should use no follow, when you are adding third-party website link. When you are adding your own website link, there's no need to choose add follow. So I'm going to turn this off because I don't need a link for the particular Lottie files. And next, inside the setting, you have trigger. Trigger when someone is there inside this particular viewport. Let's say I'm not there, means this Lottie file will not work. Unless you reach that particular viewport, that is not going to work. You can define the viewport from this area. See, this one stopped. Once you will scroll down, it will start again. If we'll move down a little bit more, let's say if we'll do for this, and I'll show you how this particular works. See, this is how viewport works. And I'll go to this one and I'll go to setting. Then we have option on click. If anyone clicks on this, start working. So there's an option called loop. You should turn it on because it will be like keep on moving, keep on moving, keep on rotating instead of working only once. Then we have option on hover. Once anyone hover over, start working. And then we have option of scroll. If I'll scroll down, it will work. So when you are using the scroll option, you can go to advanced option, and there's like motion effect. You can add motion effect to this. Scrolling effect will start working. Let's say I want to give horizontal, and speed will be something like this. See, this is giving a look that it's moving, right? It's working, it's moving up and down, like moving horizontally, right? So this extra effect you can give using Lottie. I'll go back again, and inside the setting part I have another thing to describe, that is it will like simply trigger on without any obstacle. And next option we have times. How many number of times you want this Lottie files to repeat. Let's say I just choose 1. If I'll increase it to 5, you'll see it will work for 5 times and then it will stop. Let me click on viewport. Again I'll go for none. 1 2 3 4 5, and now it got stopped, right? So you can choose the times, number of times. You can adjust the play speed in the X direction. You can adjust the starting point. Starting point is all about the viewport, and end point you can choose, like when you scroll this will going to work like at particular area, like this is your 100% viewport, and this will work only when your viewport is between these two sections. I'll change it to viewport and I'll make it. Now you can see this particular Lottie is stopped, right? And now next option we have start point and the end point. Let's say this is a complete rotation of one Lottie action. If he's starting a leg from somewhere and he's keeping it again, like it will like now moving, because we start from this position and we stopped at this position. Let's say it's repeating from this position till this position. So you can control the start point and the end point of this particular animations using start point and the end point. And then we have option called reverse to start walking in the reverse directions. When you choose reverse, currently I don't need the reverse one, so I'm unselecting that. And then we have option of render SVG or the Canva. So SVG option is more better. It gives you crystal clear image instead of Canva. For loading, you can turn on lazy load. Helps your website to load faster when you use lazy loading. So I'm going to turn this off as of now. I'll go to setting part. You can adjust maximum width. I told you it will not exceed this particular width. Like after mentioning, it will stop. No matter how much ever you increase, it will not going to increase after this particular width. Let's say if I'll increase this much, now it will increase more. It will not increase more than this particular width we defined. Then we have option of normal and the hover. So we can, when we hover, there's nothing is happening, but you can maintain the opacity. Let's say if I hover now, it's like getting opaque. You can maintain the transition duration. So it's going to take a time gap between a transition from normal to opaque. So let me hover over this. See, it's got dim and it took some 2.3 seconds. Now we'll go back. Now only this much was there inside the style section, but we left only one part inside the content, that is how to upload our own media files and work on that. So I'll choose the media files, and let's say whatever the file you have chosen, just go to download and download Lottie Jotion. Click on that and you'll see the file got downloaded. Now go back to Elementor and click on upload. Click on upload files. Click on select files. Choose the file. Click on open. And now this is the Jotion file that we uploaded for this particular Lottie image, and click on insert media. Now you can see the same function is working by uploading your Lottie image in your gallery. Same setting, everything is same. So you just have two options here, like either you choose media files or external. To add some extra effect with the Lottie files, you can go to advanced section and you can add a motion effect. I already taught you. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.